Hello guys, welcome to Forshant NF Windows and Door Systems Community Limited channel. This is Winnie. Today let's discuss the hot-celled folding door. First of all, folding door has excellent physical properties such as the thermal insulation, waterproof, soundproof, and so on. The biggest feature of the folding door is that it's very spacing after opening. The push and pull action can easily separate the space and effectively save the space occupied by the door leaf. If you want to use it in the bedrooms, laundry, and lobby, the folding door will be a good choice. Now let me show you our folding door. Come on, let's go. If you are going to install your folding door, follow us and send the messages to us, and we will offer you the best solutions for your home. Thanks for watching. Bye.